If you're looking for a dependable AI model to use inside Visual Studio Code, which is a popular code editor, the free Qwen 3.6 is currently a great option. So let us begin the integration process. To begin, head to AIAND's website. Get Qwen 3.6 free at aiand.com. Notice here in the product inference section that the Qwen 3.6 27 billion model is currently free. There is no charge for input or output tokens. While it shows prices for all other versions, this particular model is currently free of charge. Let's walk through the steps to run inference with this tool directly inside Visual Studio Code. Choose any way to log in. Let's proceed by using Google. Occasionally, you may be prompted to verify your identity by using a phone number. I immediately completed the verification, entered my name, chose the individual developer option, and pressed Continue. For automatic code generation, choose Continue, since it integrates very easily. Let's check the docs and grab the API key. First, you must generate an API key to run this tool inside Visual Studio Code. Details on this base URL or web address are in the documentation, so please open up your code editor to begin. For this reason, open the Extensions Marketplace and search for KiloCode. This is the official plugin created by kilocode.ai. KiloCode is an AI assistant for coding. You can run it using the desktop app or directly within your code. Once the installation completes, it will show up right here. Click the Settings gear here. Navigate to the Provider settings, select the Custom Provider option, and click the Connect button. For this setup, input the provider ID in lowercase letters as AIAND, and then write the display name in uppercase letters as AIAND. The provider's API works just like OpenAI's. We've imported the base URL, our main web address. We now have our API key. Next, I will generate my API key. I'll name it Qwen for free and generate a key. Most importantly, never share your API key with anyone. Once I enter my API key here, no further action is required from you. Next, I will deselect all these AI models, which are smart language programs, and select only the Qwen 3.6 27 billion version, which is currently offered for free. This particular model helps us clearly visualize how our extension will function. Next, click Submit to enter the model's ID and name. Paste this name into the field, since the ID is identical. Then click Submit. The AI model is ready, so you can close this. Next, let's check if the Kilo gateway is available here. AIAND. Let's organize from here. Notice how the AI and gateway appears in this section. Let's choose that option and verify if it actually works. Observe how smoothly the system operates, demonstrating that it reacts to commands almost instantly. This method allows you to effortlessly incorporate this model into your daily routine. First, I will delete this index.html file, which the browser automatically reads first. Let's start by entering a simple prompt for a classic snake game to test the system's functionality, measuring its generation time and overall performance before deciding on our next steps. To start, the agent reviews the codebase, designs a strategy, and then starts programming. It states here that it will build the complete snake game inside the index.html file. I will wait for this HTML code generation to finish and then return. Okay, the file creation is now fully complete. Expect this step to take about 2 minutes to fully complete. We finished the game in 250 lines of code. So let's execute it now to confirm the snake moves properly and the score counter displays. I like how the neat interface displays your record score right at the very top. Qwen is currently gaining significant traction in the competitive AI market. This setup allows you to easily run this model within Visual Studio Code, which gives you a very generous usage limit. That wraps up our guide for today.